Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Kitsch Rice Bar Shampoo and Conditioner Bar for hair growth. So it's made in the USA, it's packaged in China, but it's a rice shampoo bar and conditioner bar for strengthening hair. So let's take a closer look at both this shampoo and conditioner bar. The bars fit perfectly with the Kitsch accessories. The rice water protein increases the hair volume by 20% faster after 5 washes, and it encourages overall hair length and density. It helps you to achieve stronger and healthier hair. So why choose the rice water protein shampoo bar? It says it's formulated with rice water to help repair damaged hair follicles, and it prevents split ends. It gives your hair and scalp a nourishing cleanse to encourage overall length and density. Now let's look at the conditioning bar. Why choose the rice water protein conditioning bar? It's also formulated with rice water to help repair damaged hair follicles and prevent split ends. It gives your hair and scalp a nourished cleanse to encourage overall length and density. It boosts shine in dull, dry hair, and is free of parabens, silicone, sulfates, and artificial fragrances. So check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Over 20,000 have been bought in the past month alone, and it's received 4.3 out of 5 stars. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.